Now that we have roughed out the part, we're going to semi the part out to create a more uniform amount of stock on the part. We're going to click Cam, and under the Profile section, we're going to click Create Profile. The 3D2 tab programs use triangulation mesh, which are designed for roughing and faster calculation times. For semi-finishing and finishing, we are going to use programs from the 3D1 tab. These programs are higher accuracy and are created using surface-based geometry. For our semi program, we are going to use a Z-level low angle finishing located under the 3D1 tab. This type of program is designed to do both a Z-level finish for steeper areas and a scan or low-lying processing to handle the shallow areas. We will name this program Semi-01. We can select our reference profile, again selecting the metric one. We can check on our tool info and load a tool from the tooling database. We are going to use a 10mm ball cutter. We can select what tool we want and select the semi-finished settings for this tool. We're going to change the protruding length to 50mm. We can hit OK, and then we can hit Create to add to our calculation process list. Before we hit Calculate, let's open up the calculation settings for this program. We can right-click on the program name and go to Edit Calculation Condition. As mentioned earlier, this type of program is meant to do both steep and shallow areas. For more information on any section, please use the online help menu or contact support. To explain where CamTool decides if this is a steep section or a shallow section, we can look at the low-lying area cutting section. The division angle is the deciding factor. With a 45-degree division angle entered, everything above 45 degrees is treated as a steep section, and we'll use the Z-level finishing portion of the program. Anything less than 45 degrees, we'll use the low angle portion of the program. The lap volume is the amount of overlap you want. With 1 entered here, this program will overlap the Z-level and the low angle by 1 degree. We can change the stock value to 0.1 millimeters. Once we are done setting, we can hit OK. We can now hit Start to begin the calculation. Now that our program is done calculating, we can double-click on the op status to see what it looks like. Once we are done, we can clear the CL and move on to our next tool path.